everyone! In this video, we are going to tell you about the summary of phonetic and pronunciations video by Colin Munro. The members of the group are Pniel Jr., Iosephine Sere Gratia, Grescya Dwi Aswita, and Marcelino. So, what is phonetic? Phonetic is the study of the actual sound that make up the words of a language. Every language has its own characteristics. And there are sounds in English that you might not use in your language, and sound in your language that we might not use in English. And one of the more difficult things about English is the spelling and the pronunciation. We only have 26 letters in the alphabet, but modern English uses about 44 different sounds. Look at this example. Busy, word, queue, louder, calm, and chaos. All of these words and many more can be difficult to pronounce because spelling in English is not phonetic and it's often inconsistent. So, phonetic gets around this by looking at the actual sounds that make up a word and not how it is spelled.
There's a three section of phonic symbols: single vowel sounds, diphthongs, consonant pairs, and single consonants. The key to good pronunciation to understanding that making the sounds of speech is physical thing. If you are not accustomed to speak English, it won't feel natural for your mouth and your tongue the way you use that. So if you want to improve your pronunciation, think about this question: where does each sound come from? Is the jaw open or closed? What shape of the mouth? Where should the tongue be? Does air come out from mouth when we say the sound? Is it voice? Incorrect pronunciation is almost always the result of the trying to produce the sound in a way that is physically incorrect. If we look at those difficult to pronounce words again.
We can spell them out using phonetic symbols to see exactly how they are pronounced. Busy. Here we can see the U does not make the sound we might expect. Instead, it makes an U sound. It is not boozy or buzzy, it's busy word. The O here together with the R is pronounced U, and that's confusing, because that sound is often spelled with ER. Kui. The word has a lot more letters than you might expect, and most of them are silent. Laughter. You might expect that to be an R in laughter, but there isn't. Also, the R sound is represented by the letters U. This is very unusual spelling and causes a lot of confusion. Comb. This word has a B at the end, but we do not pronounce it. And finally, chaos. This is spelled with the CH, and CH is more commonly pronounced tiv, like in church. Between spelling and pronunciation, so phonetics give us way to write word as they are pronounced.
Now, we'll talk about minimal pairs, which are when sounds are confused, like L and R. Consonant clusters is when there are several consonants together without any vowels. Produces a sound that can be difficult to produce, like bl in plenty, and sh in splash. Homophones are paired or groups of words that are pronounced in the same way but different spelling, like to, the adverb, and to, the number. Heteronyms are pairs or groups of words that have the same spelling but the different pronunciations, like excuse the verb and excuse the noun. The best way to improve your pronunciations is to talk with someone who will correct you if you make mistakes. Okay everyone, this is for today's video. Sorry for any mistakes and thanks for watching.